Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at last.fm again, but instead of what we did last time, we're going to be looking at another API endpoint, which is about getting a similar track to what you search for. So you have to put in the name of a track, you have to put in the name of an artist, and then you will receive a similar track by the same artist. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see another program. At the top, as usual, so we're going to do today, then the rules, and lastly the program. So today we're going to be looking at getting similar tracks. So the user will enter the name of a track along with the artist, and we'll get a similar track from the same artist in return. So for example, when I run the program, then please enter the name of the track. So I could, for example, enter this, and then a similar track to believe is strong enough. So that's how it works. So first, I've imported requests in JSON. Then my API key is the same as last time because I'm still using last.fm. But this time we're looking at a different API endpoint. So here I have my API key. Then I have my user agent data quest. After that, I have track equal to input, please enter the name of the track and please enter the name of the artist. Because in order to get the same, there could be two artists with the same name of this, they could have two artists with two songs with the same name. So I'm assuming that's why they need the artist, but also because you also need to get a similar song from the same artist. So after that, we have the headers, user agent. Then we have parameters. So in this one, the required ones was track, artist, and the API key. And then we have the method and format. After that, we have r is equal to request.get, the beginning of the URL. Then the header is equal to headers and the parameter is equal to parameters. So the reason I have this and then comma this and comma this is because in the end, I'm pretty much creating a URL because it has all the necessary information, and this is just the beginning part that won't change. After that, I print r.text, but I've commented that out for the time being, so I'll just put it back in. Then we have data is equal to json.loads, and then I'm parsing it. So I'll show the parsing in a second. So please enter the name of track, we'll use the same one. Yes. So then in the parsing, we have very long. So here we have, first we have similar tracks at the beginning. Then we have track, then we have the 0 for the square bracket, and then we have the name. So then in the end, that's how I'm getting this name. Then if we want, for example, the play count in this case, then we just change the last part to play count. And then we're going to run it. So entered it. Now, so this obviously is a wrong print statement, but basically it's now giving me the play count. But we're gonna keep it for name. So then basically it's quite similar to the previous program. It's simply that I've changed what it's doing. So the headers is the same, the parameters only has a few changes, like the track and the artist and the API key. And then in the method we have track.getSimilar. So if you open last.fm, go into API after signing in, then on the left inside you'll see an entire bar which has full of all the different kind of artists and all the different sort of API endpoints that you can use.